June 2016, number 2. Okay, so 2a asks us to factorize. When we look at 2a part 1, the first thing we see in common is that 4 is in common, so we get a squared minus 4. We then notice that the bracket is a difference of squares, so we get 4 by a minus 2, a plus 2. For the part 2, they're asking us to factorize a quadratic, so we are going to take 3 multiplied by minus 8 gives us minus 24, and we look for two numbers that when we multiply it will give us minus 24, and when we add it will give us positive 2. And the two numbers would be positive 6 and minus 4. So positive 6 and minus 4. So we'll get 3y squared positive 6 minus 4 minus 8. We see what's common with the first two. We get 3y, so we get y plus 2. And we see what's common here, minus 4, and we get y plus 2. And y plus 2 is common to both, so we get y plus 2 by 3y minus 4. The last piece asks us to solve the simultaneous equations. So I will choose to use the elimination method here, but you can use any method you choose. So I will let this be equation 1, I will let this be equation 2. I'm going to multiply this one by 5, and I'm going to multiply this one by 2. So to multiply by 5, I multiply each thing in the equation by 5. So 5 2s are 10x plus 5y is equal to 15. And in the second equation, I'm going to multiply each thing by 2. So I'll get 10x minus 4y equals to 24. Then I minus the two equations. So 5y minus 4y gives us a positive 9y. And 15 minus 24 is minus 9. Minus 9. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. Then I substitute y equal minus 1 into any of the equations. So I'm going to choose equation 1. So I will get 2x minus 1 equals 3. 2x is therefore equal to 4. X is equal to 2. So therefore, x equal 2 and y equal minus 1. Okay, so the last part of this question, they tell us that y varies directly as x. That means that y is equal to some number by x. So we can use the first values 3 and 6. So 3 is equal to some number by 6, and we can clearly see then that k would have to be a half. So therefore y is equal to a half x. So when x is 10, y is equal to a half by 10, which is 5. So u would be equal to 5. Then 9 is equal to a half t, so that means that clearly t has to be 18. Once again, add an angel emoji if you've watched the video to the end.